Welcome to the Clinical Mental Health Counseling Program at the University of Dayton. For over 60 years, we've been shaping skilled counselors who make a real impact.
I think what sold me is that all the folks that I talked to who worked in this, who taught in the program, we're not just talking about diagnosis codes, we're just talking about, the mental, they were also talking about the physical, the spiritual, and that kind of way of looking at well-being really just connected with me.
I chose the clinical mental health counseling program at UD because of my own experiences being in the client chair in counseling. It's taught me to grow in ways that have been very transformative to my life, and I wanted to be able to play that role with other people and help folks through similar challenges that I've been through.
Our graduates thrive in diverse settings across the country, supported by a strong alumni network. With a small faculty-to-student ratio, you'll build meaningful connections and learn from experienced professionals who bring real-world counseling into the classroom.
I think I came in with this idea that I was going to only do this specific type of field and work with specific type of clients. But as I actually got into the field, I realized I have a lot of different interests and there's a lot of things that I'm just not knowledgeable about and I want to learn more. So just keeping an open mind and making sure that you try all things and then deciding if you want to continue to do them.
Our professors have prepared us for the field really well, and I think that they do it in a number of ways. Listening to the stories that they tell, listening to how they address certain concerns, listening to what areas they struggled with.
If I was going to give advice to someone that was entering our program, I would tell them to really engage fully with the program, because I think you can really get out of it whatever you put into it. And I knew that I really wanted to soak up all the knowledge I could from professors because I knew that they were really leaders in the field. Just take advantage of every opportunity.
At UD, you'll go beyond textbooks, engaging in real scenarios, advocacy, and leadership opportunities.
So the biggest impact that this program has had on me, both personally and professionally, is self-growth. As I'm in my last semester and going to be graduating in a few months, I've noticed, looking back, that I've become more active in my participation in class.
I definitely feel like the practicum and internship experience has set me up for success to be a counselor because there's a ton of support. You not only have your site supervisor, but you also have a university supervisor, and then you have group internship class where you get to be with all of your peers who are going through the same things.
Your journey to becoming a confident, compassionate counselor starts here. Join us at the University of Dayton and take the next step in your counseling career.